Hello, I'm so happy so many people joined in. जल्दी जल्दी आप लोग यहाँ आ गए हैं. Well, my friends, today we are doing a reunion on this show. आज से 2 साल पहले मैं इंडियाज नेक्स्ट टॉप मॉडल में गई थी और ये मेरी जिंदगी में एक टर्निंग पॉइंट रहा क्योंकि ऐसे तो 10 साल हो गए इंडस्ट्री में काम करते करते और एज अ मॉडल मैं आगे आई और बहुत सारा काम किया, लेकिन जो फेम और जो रिकग्निशन इंडियाज नेक्स्ट टॉप मॉडल से मुझे मिला वो आई थिंक मुझे और किसी भी शो से नहीं मिला। और मेरे ख्याल से बाकी लड़कियों का भी कोई ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा होगा। और क्योंकि इस बात को 2 साल हो गए हैं तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना एक रीयूनियन कर लिया जाए। एंड आई ऑल्सो नो कि जब भी हम इंडियाज नेक्स्ट टॉप मॉडल से कोई भी पिक्चर पोस्ट करते हैं आप लोग उस पर इतना सारा प्यार दिखाते हो, उसको लाइक करते हो, शेयर करते हो और एंगेजमेंट जो इंस्टाग्राम पे है वो ऐसे शॉर्ट अप हो जाता है। तो आज आई एम गेटिंग माई फ्रेंड फ्रॉम द शो इंडियाज नेक्स्ट टॉप मॉडल परीना चोपड़ा विद मी। लेट मी टेक हर लाइव। गाइस, अगर आपके कोई क्वेश्चंस हैं जो आप हमसे पूछ then just write them down in the comment section। ये यहाँ पे comment section है। परीना मेरे साथ जुड़ने वाली है और आप सभी का स्वागत है। और
Hello, hi Akriti.
I'm fine, how are you?
I'm good, yeah. It's been so long. You know, we had to do this to like talk. Very bad, man.
I know. I'm sorry, but this is also my effort. मैं सबसे effort करती हूँ, बात करने की कोशिश करती हूँ, सब अपने अपने जिंदगी में busy है।
I remember you tried making a WhatsApp group also, but everyone is so busy. But I don't know what they're busy doing right now.
I have no
No
idea.
idea.
By the way, you look very pretty.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. What's happening? Lockdown में तुम क्या कर रहे हो?
I mean, lockdown, सबका ही अलग experience है, right? And honestly, I am somewhere enjoying this time to spend with my dog because I've been away. I've been in Bombay for 5 years and never got that really good time and you know that so many days to spend with your family, with your dog and everything. So वो अच्छी चीज हो रही है और बुरी चीज हो रही है कोई काम नहीं हो रहा है ठीक से। Everything is shut and I'm somebody who loves to work. I can't sit at home. You know,
Yeah,
that's my
tell me
problem.
about it, man. There's just no work suddenly. Last time work was on 7th of March. I'm talking about work which paid.
I've been seeing lots about that. You know, people are not getting paid also, and there's a big problem right now. Everybody wants us to like work for free, which is a problem. And
Right.
knowingly that you know no one's earning right now, and everybody needs to earn somewhere. And free collaborations, don't call me.
But Marina, अभी देखो चल क्या रहा है, पूरे वर्ल्ड की इकोनॉमी डाउन है एक तरीके से देखा जाए तो, किसी के पास भी पैसे नहीं है। So I also thought initially कि नहीं करना चाहिए फ्री में काम, but then considering the present time जहाँ पे सभी को प्रॉब्लम है, आई थिंक हम सबको अगर हेल्प करें थोड़ा थोड़ा, जहाँ पे हमें लगता है कि वो भी अगर हमारी हेल्प कर पा रहे हैं, इफ नॉट मॉनेटरीली बट इन एनी अदर वे, तो कर लेना चाहिए बिकॉज दिस इज द टाइम टू मेक कनेक्शंस।
I think वो हम करते आए हैं और वो हम करते आए हैं day one से। When we were like we did not have that much of fame and you know people who would like us and want us to like you know showcase their kind of stuff. So कर लेते हैं, but I'm just saying no more free collaboration because I'm tired of that.
हाँ एक्चुअली अभी फ्री का कोई काम नहीं करेंगे, सबको पैसे चाहिए, मुझे भी दो।
और क्या? But love the fact कि ये शो का नाम क्या है, वार्तालाप with आकृति. You came up with this idea. I knew someone who could do this is Akriti because Akriti was one person, guys, let me tell you, in the entire show who had love for talking a lot. She would just talk a lot. I'm telling you, all the girls gonna agree with me.
बिल्कुल, सब लोग चुप हो जाते थे, मैं बोलती रहती थी।
Yes, totally.
Yeah. Hey, do you miss INTM, the entire journey? इतना टाइम हो गया यार, 2 साल।
Yes, yes, it's been 2 years. यार तूने याद दिलाने के लिए ऐसा feel कराया, but otherwise whenever like you gave the introduction saying that you know whenever we post anything about anything, the picture that we post and we tag INTM, we do get extra love and you know all the kindness from people. So the show Of course, yeah, it's so close to me, yeah. Whatever I've got in terms of modeling, because I come from a background, from an actor background. Remember what happened during the
Yeah.
first episode? Everybody like tagged me like, Parina actor hai, actor hai. Agreed, actor hai you, और अभी भी actor ही हूँ. But this show gave me a platform for, modeling. I got to know the industry more closely. We got to work with the best of the designers, makeup artists, anything you say, we had it on the show, right? So I really miss INTM. I wish we get to wear all that again soon.
I miss it too. And me being from the fashion industry, when I came on the show, I also got to learn a lot of things. We work with the best of the professionals, जो कि हमें ऐसा मिल नहीं पाता opportunity if you are a normal model or if you've just entered the industry. तो ये लोग आपको मतलब enter भी नहीं होने देते, आपसे बात भी नहीं करते. So I think the show gave us the platform जहाँ पे हमारी खुद की एक पहचान बन गई और उस पहचान से ज्यादा लोग हमें अप्रोच करने लगे. हम कहीं जाते थे तो लोग हमें थोड़ा सा तवज्जो देते थे कि हाँ भाई ओके शी इज समबडी. सो दैट हैपेंड विद मी ऑन द शो. बाय द वे व्हेन डिड यू, हमने ये बात एक्चुअली कभी की नहीं, बट व्हेन डिड यू डिसाइड टू गेट ऑन INTM? ये तुमने कभी बताया नहीं मुझे.
I think nobody discussed this because हम लोग इतने overwhelmed थे already to be in the show, and so much was happening that we did not have time to even talk about all this. But to be honest, my scene was very random. I'm going to be really honest, but because a lot of people keep asking me, like a lot of young girls keep asking me that, how do you get into INTM? What is the procedure? But I think you can suggest better after listening to my story, because I had just finished one shoot and gone to a friend's house. And I remember there were people from MTV in the same house chilling, and somehow they were planning for this India's Next Top Model auditions and all that stuff. And it was happening. I had no idea. And somehow one of the girls like approached me and asked me like, somewhere she thought that I fit that character of out of all the 16 or 10, because, there were characters for all of us that we had to play also. And yeah, so she just asked me, why don't you come for audition tomorrow? I really like, how you look. You really fit that thing. We're looking for blah, blah, blah. I was like, okay, cool. So the next day I went for the audition. And somehow, but by the way, this was my longest audition because it happened for almost 45 minutes.
Right.
Did it happen to you also?
I know. I when I went for the audition, usually क्या होता है कि waiting के लिए बहुत time होता है. नहीं तो आप audition में जाते हो तो 5-10 मिनट में खत्म करके भेज देते हैं. But ये वाला तो चल ही रहा था. I think वही 45 minutes to 1 hour. They kept asking questions. They kept asking so many things कि ये बताओ, ये बताओ, ये बताओ, ये बताओ. बस घुमा रहे थे हमको. So that was the biggest audition of my life as well.
Yeah, so see, it was the longest audition. But that was our first audition. Then we got shortlisted, some of us. And then we again went to another audition, which also was not recorded on camera and or show it on the show. Show पे तो वही वाला दिखाया गया था ना, जिसपे हम लोग finally the top 16 were there, right?
हाँ, उन्हीं लोगों थोड़ा audition. I don't think audition पूरा दिखाया भी था, बस थोड़ा दिखाया था अपना.
सबके part थोड़े, correct. But उससे पहले हमारे already auditions हो चुके थे, where they really get to know you and they choose who to like, take forward. And
Benjamin is here, he's laughing.
Who?
Hi.
Who's
Benjamin. Benjamin.
He was my favorite.
Yeah, he's so
By the way, Benjamin was there for my audition. And he pretty much asked me a lot of questions, but he was the most coolest guy. I wanted to be in my slippers because I was so tired during the audition because waiting was long, audition went for long, and then we had to again wait. He was the one who was like, okay, take off your slippers, it's okay, chill. And yeah, cool guy.
I remember Ashika from the audition because she was the one who kept coordinating with me. So she took my audition. हाँ, और वो कितने क्वेश्चन पूछ. She was the mama on the show.
Yes.
भाई जो लोग देखते हैं उन्हें पता नहीं है पर मतलब
mama. I love you, Ashika.
सब कुछ बिल्कुल चलता था और आशिका आती थी हमारी मम्मा की जैसे सुबह हमें उठाती थी. Come on girls, come on, let's go on the shoot. And gathering all the girls together was such a massive task. I wonder how she.
I think it was a hate and love relationship which every girl shared with Ashika. You
Right.
hate her for doing, for the things she used to do to us, wake you up, keep screaming. But at the same time, she would take care of you, she would love you, she would give you that support because we were all the time for 20 days alone in the house. We had no
Right.
contacts with our family members, I remember, with our loved ones, no books to read, no music to listen to, not the kind of food that we want to eat.
Not
So,
even time to work out. Hardly any time to
exactly.
sleep.
Hardly any
But
time to
again,
sleep. That's the main point. Being a model, it is not easy, man. The show is a very tough show.
the show is a difficult show and not just the task. चलो एक तरीके से task तो होते ही है difficult, उसमें हमें perform करना होता है, but उसके पीछे जो चल रहा होता है, जो दिखाते नहीं है कैमरा पे, जब हमें 20-20 घंटे लगातार शूट करना पड़ता है दिन में, हम लोग बिना अपने घर वालों से बात किए, जैसे परीना ने कहा, बिना घर वालों से बात किए, बिना फोन के, वो 20-25 दिन हमने निकाले हैं एक दूसरे की शक्लें देख देख के. So it actually becomes like a mental game for anybody who's in this show. फिर उसमें आपके मॉडलिंग में आप कितने अच्छे हो वो इतना मैटर नहीं करता, बल्कि आप मेंटली कितने स्ट्रांग हो वो मैटर ज्यादा करता है, क्योंकि
Correct?
मोस्टली लोगों को वो डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है.
Lot
है
of,
ना?
I remember बहुत सारी लड़कियां एक टाइम में फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गई थी, where for no
वो
reason everybody was throwing their kind of attitude towards each other, and it helped for the show. So
राइट.
that's what they wanted also, and we pretty much like gave it to them because it was taxing, yeah.
या वी गिव ऑल द मसाला फॉर द शो.
तभी हम आगे गए हैं. ये सच है.
तभी लोग देख रहे हैं.
तभी हम ज्यादा फेमस है.
बिल्कुल. अच्छा,
Oh
बाय द
dear.
वे, वाज योर फेवरेट ऑन द शो?
Favorite, you mean the contestant or the judges?
कंटेस्टेंट्स.
See, my favorite is Akanksha only because she's till date my best friend. And somehow, not like during the show we met, audition time only we met, and somehow we clicked and we've been friends since then. Otherwise, I'm in touch with you, Shweta. Sometimes I'm in touch with Sabita, Summer,
Yeah,
even
Sabita is
Madhurima.
also nice. I think she's one girl who's absolutely made use of the show. Sabita, she's become a
Yes,
big star in Nepal.
in Nepal. Yeah, she's doing pretty well. I think there are two really prominent models in Nepal, and Sabita is one of them. And
Yeah.
it's a great thing.
Also, she was a very nice girl. ऐसे एकदम चुपचाप बैठी रहती थी, कुछ ज्यादा बोलती नहीं थी.
तो
She
मतलब जो
played it
चुप
well.
बैठता है वो नाइस होता है यार. Dude, this is a very बेकार थ्योरी यार. ये तेरी गलत थ्योरी है.
ऐसे तो सबसे
आपसे
कम
तो
मैं
बिल्कुल
होनी
सबसे
चाहिए, सबसे
बेकार
ज्यादा मैं
लगी.
होती हूँ.
What are you saying, bro? No, no, this is not the right theory. But everybody has
हाँ.
their own personalities, right? And it is difficult to stay, especially in the same house with so many people, right?
हाँ, तो you were telling me about your favorite contestant और मेरे ऊपर ही बिल फाड़ दिया तूने. हमेशा ऐसे ही करती है मेरे साथ. देख, मेरा मतलब वो नहीं था. See, Sabita is a nice girl, that's her personality. और उस हिसाब से जो मैंने बोला, मैं ही सबसे खराब होनी चाहिए, सबसे ज्यादा मैं ही बोलती रहती हूँ.
I had to say nothing.
But I think जिनके दिल में ज्यादा कुछ होता नहीं है ना, वो लोग बोल के बात खत्म कर देते हैं वहीं पे,
That's
है ना?
also there.
हाँ. अच्छा, who was one person on the show who you did not like?
Very good, actually. Very good question. I really know that you don't know the answer.
I don't know the answer.
You really don't know. I knew that you wouldn't know. Have no idea.
I have the idea, but on popular demand. India wants to
Just to know. And listen, it's nothing about, I don't like her and all that. But like I said, जैसे चीजें हो रही थी घर पे, and everybody played their own characters. तो उस हिसाब से वो खेलते खेलते शायद हमारे characters were not meant to be like together. We had to go like forward like this. You two are, right there. Remember, a lot of girls started complaining in the end. I don't know you were there or not, that why so much of publicity is given to Ria and Farina. Remember?
Remember.
Even though we are the ones who's getting suffered because we are the ones who not giving each other a good vibe. We are supposed to like not like each other in terms of because जैसे चीजें हो रही थी उस हिसाब से नहीं बननी. तो वही उनको चाहिए था, वही feeling. It was very genuine. So we played our parts and Farina reacted it. No talk.
Same
right. Everyone has their own life, right? And you can't be poking that again and again. So
what do you think are the main features which are required for a person to win a show like INTN? Reality show को जीतने के लिए कौन सी qualities चाहिए?
See, it's my first reality show. To be honest, उसके बाद when other reality show people approached me, I did not go for it because मेरे को reality show की एक बात समझ आ गई थी that you can't be just performing and showing your talent, skill, correct? See, all the 10 girls have their own way of, their own uniqueness. One could do really well in one kind of task. Somebody who was scared of height will always, obviously, gonna shit there, right?
Right.
So I think सबकी अपनी अपनी एक खूबी थी जो हम सब लोग अपना आगे दिखा रहे थे. But रियलिटी शो जब प्लस हो जाता है उसमें मुझे लगा that you have to play a lot with, you have to actually play a game. That's the right word. You should know what they're gonna do next to you and what's gonna be the next what you call the climax, and things will turn again because there were some kind of task जिससे हमको जीतते थे, कहाँ से हमें पावर मिलती थी, फिर वो पावर से हम लोग सारी एक दूसरे के ऊपर वो पावर्स थ्रो करते थे. तो अगर आपको समझ आ जाए थोड़ा बहुत तो आप आगे निकल जाओगे और आपका माइंड विल बी टू मच इनटू दैट. पर मुझे लगा कि मैं ये नहीं कर सकती रियलिटी शो. आई कैन डू समथिंग लाइक दिस. लाइक आई सेड, आई रियली मिस द टास्क, जो चीजें हम लोग करते थे. लव इट. गुड लेवल, अमेजिंग शो.
टास्क परफॉर्म करने के साथ साथ जो मेंटल गेम की तुमने बात की बिल्कुल बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. और आप चाहे टास्क में कितना भी शिट परफॉर्म करो, डज नॉट मैटर. You need to be mentally strong. You need to be manipulative, and you need to know how to, engage everyone और सबको अपने तरफ कैसे करना है. वो आना चाहिए. वो जिसको आता है वो जीत गया रियलिटी शो.
That's true. That's true.
हम तो सीधे साधे लोग जाके जो मन में हो मुंह पे. ये by the way, वीडी के टाइम पे बहुत सारी चीजें बुलवाई जाती थी. So how was your experience doing all the video diaries of the show? जिन लोगों को नहीं पता उनको बता दे.
वीडियो डायरीज.
हाँ, जिनको नहीं पता उनको बता दे कि कोई भी रियलिटी शो आप करते हो तो आप बीच में देखते हो ना कि जैसे परीना आई थी शो में तो सिर्फ परीना को दिखाया कि परीना इज गिविंग हर रिएक्शन ऑन एवरीथिंग दैट्स हैपनिंग. मेरा दिखाया कि आई एम गिविंग माय रिएक्शन. सो दैट्स कॉल्ड वीडियो डायरी, जो बाद में शूट होती है. जो हम शूट पूरा कर लेते हैं उसके बाद में एंड में एक साथ हमें बोला जाता है कि बताओ अब क्या हुआ पूरे दिन में. सो परीना योर एक्सपीरियंस.
चाहे रात के 2 बजे हो, 3 बजे हो, सुबह के 12 बजे हो, अगर आपका वीडी मिसिंग है तो आपको वो उठा के लाएंगे और वो शूट कराएंगे. तो आपको जो हमने फर्स्ट डिस्कस किया कि नींद चली जाती है उस शो पे, नींद तो नहीं आती है. आप सो नहीं सकते क्योंकि आपको उठा देते हैं. क्या वीडियो बोल रहे हो और आप अपनी नींद में उठ के बोल रहे होते हो हाँ ऐसा हुआ वैसा हुआ और हमने ये किया, हमें कौन पसंद नहीं है और हमें कौन पसंद है. ऑल द क्वेश्चंस एंड इट वर्क्स फॉर लाइक 1 hour, 1.5 hours, 2 hours also at someone who has more gossips to give.
सबसे लंबे वीडियो कौन देता था?
श्वेता.
श्वेता.
श्वेता also. सबसे लंबे वीडियो तो ही देती है.
मैं तो स्टोरी नरेटर थी. मैं वीडी के सामने जाके बैठती थी, मैं स्टोरियां गाती थी.
Yes. सब लोग आकृति से सीखते थे कैसे स्टार्ट करना है, कैसे खत्म करना है. Akriti was, because she is anyway an anchor, so this woman knows how to, introduce.
But before the show, I did not know कि मेरे में है ये capability to talk. Before the show, I wasn't doing too much into anchoring. It was something on the side. But after I realized कि actually मैं बात करने का talent है मुझ में, तो मैं बोल सकती हूँ और मुझे बोलना पसंद है, तो मैं बोलूँगी.
Correct.
That's why the name of the show वार्तालाप.
I want to
conversation.
ask you. I never asked you. Who was your favorite?
My favorite on the show. Yeah, I liked a lot of girls. See, I liked you. I liked Akanksha Korda. We gelled. I liked Eva. She was a nice girl. I liked Savita. I liked Shweta.
ठीक
Yes.
है.
But
Okay.
Baki लोग, I don't dislike you, but these are my favorites list.
Hmm.
What was
And
your favorite challenge, favorite competition on the show?
I think my favorite out of all would be the bull ride one. The one we
Yeah.
had to like ride the bull. I had so much fun doing that. But सबसे ज्यादा I think बुरा उसमें तेरे साथ हुआ था जब you went first and you
Yeah,
broke your
yeah.
कौन सा वाला था ये था
Yeah, yeah.
is it still like chips
Yeah, this one broke, तो फिर मुझे डेंटिस्ट के पास जाके नया लगवाना पड़ा. This is a fake teeth now. I have a fake teeth because I broke my tooth on the show.
और see ये चीजें आप लोगों को नहीं पता होंगी ये है हमारी इनसाइट्स इतनी मेहनत हुई कि दांत तोड़वा लिया आकृति ने अपना वाह नॉट
क्या
आकृति
क्या करना क्या क्या नहीं किया है हमने शो में. See, for me the most difficult contest was the underwater challenge which we got पहले एपिसोड में. वो सबसे ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट था मेरे लिए क्योंकि नंबर वन मुझे स्विमिंग नहीं आती. नंबर टू आपको पानी के अंदर जाके ऐसे पोस्ट करना है, दैट टू विद मिलन सोमन. उसको देख के तो वैसे ही पसीने निकल जाते हैं यार. सो हॉट.
yes true that
सो दैट वाज द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी. फिर सबसे ज्यादा पेनफुल वो था मेरे लिए बुल वाला राइड, वो टास्क. और फेवरेट तो मेरा हाइट वाला था. मुझे बहुत मजा आया वहां से कूदने में.
the under construction building one right
यस, where we had to do a free fall.
oh correct that was also fun how did you like the chocolate task with that male model involved in that you had to pose and
नहीं,
make a story
मैं निकल
oh
गई थी यार तब तक. हाँ.
acha cool that task was like the most difficult task I think for all the girls everybody was like हम लोगों को बिकिनी पहना के चॉकलेट में डुबा के मेल मॉडल के साथ पोजिंग लाइक अरे घर वाले देख रहे हैं यार but then they showed it pretty well. It wasn't looking vulgar when it came on TV. I was really nervous before that day show when it came
आई
on
वॉज
TV.
ऑन सेट. मैं उस दिन थी सेट पे. मैंने देखा था तुम लोग पीछे तो सब नर्वस दिख रहे थे, बट जैसे ही शूट शुरू हुआ यू गाइज वर सो
I
कॉन्फिडेंट.
won that.
And it doesn't look like that on the pictures at all. You look at the pictures, you feel wow, look at this girl, so hot.
I think I'm gonna go back and scroll to my India's Next Top Model wala folder. This is my next post, by the way. I have something in my mind. I started doing now vlogging and all also these days. A little bit, but I do get like products and all where I have to like sell them in certain ways. So I do that. So आजकल वो भी चल
You
रहा है.
are you are an influencer. So many people follow you, look up to you. So it's nice to give them idea about the products that you use and what keeps the beauty on you.
But I just keep telling them a lot about natural stuff because I'm not too much into makeup or I do a lot of skincare. That's something that I really had to manage after India's Next Top Model also because there were certain kind of events that you had to be in. For that your everyday schedule that time I remember was really busy. Every day I had events to like attend after I got out of the show. Because also very funny thing happened to me. Some of my Instagram followers before entering the show were somewhere around 3,000, 4,000 followers. That's it. Like a normal person who would have his or her engagements. But coming out of the show, within like a month or something, it started going like 10K increase,
Yeah.
another 10K, 15K. Somehow I reached somewhere around 96,000 followers. I remember that was the last digit that I'd seen like.
Right.
So this show gave me a lot of fame, I think. I started
Yes,
getting a lot of
so
work
after the
also.
show, अचानक से जब हम इतने पॉपुलर हो गए शो के बाद, तो कुछ ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ तुम्हारे साथ, तुम्हें किसी ने फॉलो किया और रास्ते में आवाज लगाई हो? टेल मी अबाउट दैट.
यार ऐसे 2-3 बार ही हुआ था, बट सबसे फनी ये था कि मैं बॉम्बे में थी और मेरे घर वाले ऑब्वियसली, बिकॉज मैं दिल्ली से हूँ, तो मेरा घर दिल्ली में है, तो मेरे पेरेंट्स भी यहाँ ही रहते हैं. So one day my mom told me she was just walking in a balcony and just having a tea or something. A bunch of boys came in a car, stopped right outside my house. I don't know who they were. Some of them knew where I used to stay. So they came out, got out of their windows and shouted, "Farina is the best." My mom got scared. She was like, "Who are these people?" Because at first, when you hear all this loud voice, you get scared, like, who the hell are they, and why are they outside your house and shouting? But then they were like somehow appreciating me, which was funny. The mom's calling me all scared, Farida, there are people coming outside the house. I was like, what? From this India's Next Top Model show, really? So that was kind of
थोड़ा
funny.
अनबिलीवेबल लगता है ना
Yeah.
ऐसा. मेरे साथ तो बहुत ही फनी चीज हुई. मैं तो like मुंबई, nobody bothers. Even if you are a Shahrukh Khan, people will not run behind you. So I was not used to of anything like people calling me or recognizing me. दूसरे सिटी में होता था थोड़ा बहुत बिफोर द शो, बट बॉम्बे के अंदर ऐसा कभी हुआ नहीं. सो शो के बाद आई थिंक फर्स्ट या सेकंड एपिसोड ही आया था. नाउ आई हैड ब्लॉन्ड हेयर, वेरी रिकॉग्नाइजेबल. एंड इन द मॉर्निंग आई वोक अप, नींदों में मेरी खाने वाली बाई आई है, वो मेरे को चिल्ला रही है, दीदी सब्जी नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, ले गया. और हाउ काम वाली बाई आर. सो आई वाज लाइक ठीक है. मैं उठी अपने नाइट सूट में ही, बिना बाल बनाए, बिना ब्रश किए. आई वेंट आउट सब्जी लेने नीचे की दुकान पे, और मैं सब्जी लेने चल रही हूँ. सामने से आई सी 3 गर्ल्स वॉकिंग टुवर्ड्स मी. ठीक है, चल रहा है. They crossed and I overheard them taking my name, आकृति आकृति आकृति.
Yeah.
चली 4-5 स्टेप आगे लिया, पीछे से चिल्लाने लगे ये तीनों लड़कियां, अरे ये तो आकृति है, आकृति. इतनी तेज तेज, मिडल ऑफ द रोड they are shouting. And then I see one girl started running, second one, all 3 of them running towards me. Looking at them, I got so scared. मैं भागने लग गई. क्या हो रहा है मेरे पीछे भाग रहे. I ran, I took a rickshaw and I came back home.
So poor girls, you did not like meet them.
I was not prepared. I did not know मैं इनको क्या बोलूंगी. प्लस मैं ऐसे नींद वाली शक्लों में, नाइट सूट में.
I know.
मुझे फर्स्ट टाइम तो बिलीव ही नहीं हुआ कि कोई ऐसा आपको फॉलो भी कर सकता है. उसके बाद जब आगे ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स हुए, सो आई वाज ओके, देन आई न्यू हाउ टू हैंडल एंड टैकल एंड टॉक. बट फर्स्ट टाइम आई गॉट रियली स्कैर्ड. मैं तो भाग के घर आ गई.
This incident, ये तेरा पहला incident होगा, right?
First. After the first or the second episode, I don't remember exactly, but it was very new. The show was very new. That time this happened. Mumbai.
One thing good happening is like people started writing poetries about you and sending you your portraits. That was a very sweet thing. That was the best gifts I used to like. I wanted to receive all of them because that's something that you done it, like thinking of that one person and you admire that person so much that you make a craft and an art. And so, yeah, it was fun.
अच्छा परिणा, ने कहा कि 3000 फॉलोअर्स थे इंस्टाग्राम पे, वहाँ 3 से अचानक 96,000, अराउंड 100,000 फॉलोअर्स. इट्स अ मैसिव नंबर एंड अ बिग जंप. अभी हर कोई सोशल मीडिया पे लव मैसेजेस तो नहीं भेजता. देयर आर hate messages, there are criticism, there are abusive messages, there are all kind of messages that you receive. So how did you tackle with the negative comments, if you got any?
There was a time when I think some episode had come where Ria and I were shown fighting, and after that show episode, when it got aired, I had posted one picture, probably when we used to promote our show, which used to come on Saturday on MTV. So we used to post pictures that guys tune into MTV and watch all this. So I posted a picture like that, and somewhere it got like lakhs and lakhs views, and comments reached up to some so many comments. I don't remember the exact figure, but there were people who were writing all sorts of rubbish. Though even though they're the people who really want to know about your life, what's happening and drama, give them some gossip. But इतना
Yeah.
बकवास लिखते थे either about me or about Ria. People who would admire me would write about Ria so much shit, and they would abuse. But all these things really didn't bother me too much. Somewhere, if the comment is really bad, it did hurt you at some point. I don't know about you, but जब
मेरे को तो
बहुत ही
बहुत
बुरा
हर्ट
होता
किया
है,
था।
then I'm like, इतना बुरा यार, you guys don't even know us, and you don't even guys know the entire situation where we were. तो कभी कभार hurt होता था, but then I used to have my best friend with me, Akanksha. We used to watch the show together. Then she would tell me to relax, fuck it, you don't have to worry so much, Farina. You be stronger. See, you have other people who are, because we had a fan clubs and they used to fight among each other. One would say something, the other one would say something. So you don't have to basically get involved that much. But we were aware about what's happening.
Yeah, and to all the people who are watching, guys, आपको लगता है कि हम लोग शायद कमेंट नहीं पढ़ते, बट सारे कमेंट्स पढ़ते हैं और सब पता चलता है कितना हेट और कितना लव आप दे रहे हो. In a way, I think वही हुआ था मेरे साथ भी. One of the episode when I had a fight, like a big fight on one of the episodes, उसके बाद में इतने सारे negative hate comments इतने सारे आने लग गए. So I think for a week or two I got vanished from social media. मेरे को तो मन ही नहीं करता था मैं Instagram आऊँ और देखूँ. But then again, I had some nice, good people around me who told me that. और एक बहुत ही अच्छी सीख मैंने सीखी उससे. One of my mentor from the fashion industry, Lavelle Prabhu, he told me that when people are talking negative stuff about you, that means you're doing something good for yourself. So take
I've
it
heard
as
that.
a recognition and be happy about it. उसके बाद से तो फिर ठीक है, अब तो बोल दो जितना बोलना है, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Yeah, people who love you, they love you. People who do not love you can't keep going to them and beg them to listen to us. No,
Yeah,
people who
and
know, they know it.
yeah, and people on the show, all 10 of us, we had strong personalities. और हर किसी को strong personality पसंद नहीं आती. तो हर कोई handle नहीं कर सकता strong personality. इसलिए लोग फिर hate messages और ये सब बोलते रहते हैं. अच्छा, now I want to play a rapid fire game with you. Very quick,
Hey.
some questions. मैंने बताया नहीं था.
ये तो तूने कभी मुझे बताया नहीं कि तेरे शो में मैंने कभी देखा भी नहीं है. Do you do this?
I do it with some people who I like the most.
Then I'm gonna go for it. Listen, don't ask me mean questions, okay?
Also up to you.
Okay, cool.
Quick questions. आपको जल्दी से जो भी आंसर आता है दिमाग में वो देना है, ठीक है? Okay, so brace yourself and it starts now. Beaches or mountains?
Beaches.
Blue or pink?
Pink. Akanksha would hate
Shahrukh-
me.
You would date me. Oh. Shahrukh-
Akanksha would hate me. Don't say date me. She knows that I'm a big fan of pink. A lot of people say because it's a girly color. I don't think so. It's a girly color. I like pink, yeah.
I like pink so much. I live in the pink city.
This is a good one. This is a good one. Yeah, next.
Yeah, moving on. Shahrukh Khan, Salman Khan.
Salman Khan.
Recent crush.
Honestly, from last so many years, I don't have a crush. I've had a boyfriend. But can I name an actor or someone like that?
Anyone.
Then I would say Ranbir Kapoor. I really have a crush on him.
Yeah, he's hot.
He's pretty
I think
hot.
he's cute. Like, he's like this cutie little thing.
Now people will judge you for this also, for liking Ranbir.
People will judge you even for breathing. So let them do.
To them. Okay, so
TikTok or YouTube?
YouTube.
YouTube, okay. If you have to pick one for the rest of your life, what would you pick? Your dog or your wardrobe?
My dog, guys. My dog. This is something I don't have to say it there. My dog, for sure.
Great. Acha,
He's
now
still with
last
me.
question. Last question. This is something I am doing because I want to create awareness. How much plastic do you use in a day?
To be honest, from last 3 months तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं हो रहा है. And उससे पहले I would say कि हो रहा था. If percentage wise, I think 30-40% I was using it somehow because of our some products that we used to receive from
Yeah.
people who would give their products to us, and we had to. So that had a lot of plastic. I remember doing a post also, like a story also saying that, we should avoid this and it has to be more organic way. So, no man, big no to plastic. I've seen
I'm
horrible
so
videos
happy.
and it's really scary. No plastic.
Yeah, we make plastic, and one item of plastic takes about 500 to 800 years to decompose. So since the time we have invented plastic, तब से लेके अब तक सारा plastic अपने planet पे है, कहीं गया नहीं, कोई decompose नहीं हुआ. It's polluting our landfills, it's polluting our oceans, and we need to be more careful about the use of
Correct.
plastic.
Correct. That's a good one.
So,
And what's
Karina,
up?
how was your experience on the show वार्तालाप with Archana?
ऑनेस्टली मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया बिकॉज हम लोगों ने तो सही कह रही 2 साल से एक भी हम लोगों ने कोई भी वो नहीं किया get together in terms of going live and talking about experiences, though individually we were asked a lot of questions about India's next top model जो हम अपने 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 वे में आंसर करते थे, but doing like this is more fun. Yeah, I feel so. I had a
Right.
good time. So good to see you.
So good to see you too. I had a great time and it was lovely having you on the show, Karina. I
Thank you
wish
so
you
much.
all the best. And तुम ऐसे ही जिंदगी में 2 दुनी 4 चौगुनी तरक्की करो, आगे बढ़ते रहो. हम तुम्हें मूवीज में देखे, हम तुम्हारे सीरियल्स देखे और तुम्हारी खूबसूरती को निहारते रहे. बस यही हमारा सपना है.
Thank you, Akriti. You're so sweet. No, I wish you all the best also. Yeah, you're doing a pretty good work. I've seen that. So you remember I started doing my wedding business plus where I am designing and creating a lot of wedding outlook for people. I've been working with this company. I did try and speak to you over that for an anchor when I required. Remember?
Yes, that was last year. Exactly last year.
So I would say that I am not just getting into acting or modeling. There are a lot of other things that I keep my hands on. So
Yeah. That's amazing.
That's
I wish you all the best
Thank
in
you.
all the endeavors that you take, and it was a pleasure having you on the show.
It was
Thank
so
you
good
for
to
being
be here. See you.
Thank you. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.